Nike Air Max 90. Cream and Navy. This model has an elegant color scheme. With a swoosh and reinforcing elements in a muted beige, the upper is based on gentle cream tones. A sophisticated and timeless ambience is created by the navy suede used for the sides and heel. The ivory tone of the midsole lends an antique vibe to the entire color palette. The outsole's gum sole is a gorgeous detail that highlights the vintage look even more. The classic features that are specific to the Air Max 90 have been firmly inherited in terms of design. The design is straightforward but eye-catching, with red accents on the TPU sections of the side panels and the Nike emblem on the tongue and heel. This is a historic model, as seen by the tongue label's engraving of the iconic Nike Air emblem. This piece gently incorporates current styles while maintaining the vintage design. SRP is $130 US.